In this tutorial of machine learning on algorithmic trading, we will show how to perform k-means clustering on STI component stocks. First, we will import all the necessary Python packages such as pandas, tlib, and Yahoo Finance. Next, we use pandas read_html to scrape the web and get all the STI components from the Wikimedia page. Next, we use the Yahoo Finance package to extract three features of financial fundamental ratios. They are beta, EPS, and PE ratio. You can get more features for the clustering. In general, the more features you have, the more cluster will be needed. Next, we will scale the data for k-means clustering using scikit-learn standard scaler. Next, we determine the optimum k value needed to cluster data. It seems that the optimum is about 3 or 4, but we will choose 5 classes for this tutorial. Next, we will perform k-means clustering on the features using scikit-learn package. We can check the cluster assignment here. We note that there's only stock for label 3 and 4. Label 4 only has this Jardine Madison Holding Limited stock, and label 3 only has this SATS stock. Next, we visualize the classes on the 2D plots. We plot the EPS versus the beta. We see that generally there is about 4 quadrants: high beta and high EPS, high beta and low EPS, low beta and low EPS, and low beta and high EPS. So this is the only one stock in this label, and there is another, the stats is over here. There's only one stock. That's all for this tutorial. Feel free to leave your comments below so that we can further improve on this model. Thank you.